Look at this color changing putty that I just made magnetic because I love the magnet putty, but they didn't have it as color changing, so I had to see how it looked, and it started with just hot pink, which meant it was too warm, so I threw it in the freezer, grabbed 2 separate chunks and got them to 3 different colors, and this stuff is super duper cool, but I wanted to turn it to a magnet, so I took it down to the river with a different magnet and started collecting a bunch of iron, which took so long, and I still didn't really get that much. But to get this all nice and processed, it couldn't be wet, so I got it nice and dried off, and then after it was completely dry, I needed to crunch it up with pliers. This also took forever, and then I popped tiny holes and started shaking it until I had the finest iron dust. And at this point, I wasn't even sure if this was gonna work. This was 4 or 5 hours deep, so I grabbed a tiny piece of putty and just started going ham, and this thing completely changed colors from that pink, but after putting it back in the freezer, it almost makes it a black color, and it definitely is magnetic.